Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on view my room status to everyone on your Yalla app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Yalla app. All you have to do, you just go up, you will click here on this picture or your profile here on app, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down here, then you click here on settings, then it's going to take you to settings window here, then you just click here on privacy and it's going to take you to next window here, then you click here on view my room status, you will click, then it's going to show for you window like this, you click here on everyone, and like you see now, view my room status, it's turned on now to everyone. I wish now you are get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you.